Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to do a little maintenance. We bought our house and got the washer and dryer with the house. Now the dryer, I'm not sure exactly how old it is. It is a high efficiency. It works really well most of the time. Lately we've been running into the issue where it's taking multiple cycles for it to get like towels or other bed sheets or some of the heavier things dry. So one of the things we want to do is clean it up, not just to make sure that the dryer is running efficiently, but also to prevent fire. We know that there is a buildup of lint. We've cleaned it out, the trap inside there once before. We clean it out after every use, but we're going to do a deep clean. And we're not only going to be doing that, but we're also going to clean it from the outside in to try to clear out as much of the lint as possible. Now I picked up this. It's Holikme. It's a dryer cleaning set. It comes with not just the vacuum attachments for cleaning the vent inside and a lint brush to help get really deep, but also comes with a longer lint brush to help clean everything from the outside. Now I've got the poles here that attach just to a regular drill, and this will actually run about 25 feet with the attachments, and it comes with a little nut here that attaches directly to the drill itself. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to vacuum everything out inside here, and then we're going to move outside. And we're going to use the brush to drill out as much as we can of the actual exit port for the dryer. So we got some work ahead of us, so let's get going. Now the setup is pretty easy. Just need a drill. The end piece goes in, tighten it on, and we're going to do this in layers. So we're going to add on every single time. So we're just going to screw this on, add our brush, and essentially it's going to go in and spin. We'll put it on the highest speed and just start filtering it in. Faster, all the way. Keep going. Keep going, harder. No, walk towards that end. Keep going, walk towards me. Keep pushing, harder. Push it. Hard. Keep going, harder. Keep going, you got it, keep going. Walk towards me. Keep going, hard. Pull in, hard. I think we did pretty good. You can see how much I actually got out of there. And this included not just lint, but I had some grass in here. I had some feathers in here. I'm guessing we had a bird that made home in here, and that was part of the reason we were having such an issue with it clogging up. So what I'm gonna do is, I might end up having to replace this because the door on this is in the open position and it's not closed. It should be closed and spring open when the dryer is going. So it's in the open, propped open position. All right, guys, so that's it. We're gonna call this a success, but I guess the telltale sign will be at the end when we actually run the dryer. I'll run some towels through there today, see how it does, but that's really gonna be it. And it's not just about the efficiency of the dryer itself, it's also about safety, making sure that we don't have any debris, lint, or anything in here that could potentially cause a fire. So we wanna keep this clear, which is why I wanna put something up here to block it so animals don't get in there, birds specifically, so we don't have this debris or this type of situation happen again. But regular maintenance is important. Now I got the boys out here. I'm gonna keep playing with them. They seem to be loving the snow. So we're gonna call it today. I will leave a link for what I use in the description below. If you have any questions, please ask. All right, guys, so I thought I'd give you a little update. I know we finished the video, and I told you we'll see how things are gonna go. Well, it's not going great. So it's still stopping. It's still saying that there's an airflow problem. So what I did was I pulled it away from the wall, I checked all of that, and I removed probably 2 to 3 times of what I pulled out here originally, and from vacuuming originally. So what I've done is I've come back out here, I'm running it again, I ran it inside, I've cleared everything out. I've removed significantly more than what I removed yesterday, and what I'm getting is a lot of hair in here. So I'm not sure how it's gonna go, so we're gonna go take a look and check this out. All right, guys, so we finally got it done. We cleaned the front end of it for sure that first day. We got the bird's nest out and whatever animal was in there, we got all that out. And then we also cleaned the dryer itself completely out and that first portion of the ducting and everything around the dryer. We did notice there was a tear in the ductwork up here, so we fixed that repair. We cut into it and just trimmed it up, so everything is sitting flush here. But when we noticed it was still having that problem, it was still indicating a 90 to 95% blockage, we knew there was something else going on. So I sent the brush in from the top, and it ended up snapping on us. So now that it's broke, I was able to reach in and grab it. Continued to clean everything out. It's still blocked. So again, I tried from the top to go in, and I snapped it again. Now the first snap I was able to grab. The second one was about 2 or 3 feet into it, so I couldn't grab it. So now I had to go downstairs to find the ductwork so we could get this brush out, because I didn't want that to be the cause of the blockage. So I ended up cutting into the ductwork, pulling out significantly more than I had removed this entire process. I cut into where it looks like they must have they cut into it themselves and repaired it, and that is exactly where all of the blockage was. I think I found it. And it was right about 4 feet into the basement, where in the ductwork is where that bend was. So I cut into it, I removed everything that I could, I ran the brush through it all, and now we have a working and operable dryer. So the brush worked great. It did snap, so I don't know if that's a problem with construction, but it did catch on something, so that caused it to stop spinning and just twist off the rod. So I definitely think this product is worth it. It did a great job. We finally got everything working, and now we got an operable dryer. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks, guys, for watching. We'll see you soon.